Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's having a great day. Reminder, we have a semi big deal going on. We've got our beginning today is our boot camp. So if you're really interested in learning how to trade options, go to optionpit.com/events and get yourself registered up for that boot camp. It's going to be a good time, and it is worth it, believe you me. So it's got that going for it. So with that, let's take a look at the market and see what's going on. Well, you can see nice down day in the S&P 500. You know, after what really was an extremely slow period over the last few days, we're finally getting a little bit of a pop. Yesterday we moved almost 1%. Today almost 1%. And so with that, we're seeing the VIX get up to about 16. All right, now that probably seems a little aggressive unless we keep moving. All right, that's a really strong move in VIX. All right, it's an extremely strong move and points toward you know, you can see decent implied volatility is exploding higher. And so, yeah, you know, and so there's been some real nice moves. VIX is up. So you can see vol was so low that we might be seeing kind of a little bit of a run. So if you look at a fall 5-day chart, I mean, VIX will gone from 11.5 to having touched over 16.5 and back to 16. All right, that is an incredible run in volatility on what amounts to a 1.5% move. All right, and so that's pretty impressive. Now, if you pay attention to S&P 500, what you'll notice is that, you know, that front, the 12, you know, these 12, the 20s, there's a lot of volatility there. And, you know, if you look behind, you look a little bit weaker there. So financial markets are predicting this as a relatively short-lived move, but who knows? I think we're waiting on to see if oil's going to stabilize. It looks like it's been stabilizing. All right. See, USO finally found a bid. Some of the big names, the ExxonMobils, have a little catching up to do, but appear to have stabilized. All right. That's not right. So some of these oil names, you know, that have been flying around, they're going to start to look, you know, there's going to be people that step in and buy these names around these levels. All right. So unless there's weakness in, you know, some of the financials, you know, take a look at Goldman. So unless we see a lot of weakness in the financials, which were really offsetting the S&P last week, it's going to be hard for the market to completely take off. Yesterday we saw oil kind of take down the market. Today we're seeing financials kind of take down the market. But it doesn't appear to be kind of a unified sell-off. It seems to be quite sector-related to kind of what's going on. Now that being said, don't be surprised if we do get a little bit of a shakeout today. All right, there could be a little bit of ugliness today. You know, these big sell-offs typically have a 3-day cycle to them, and we're